Okay, so this is week 3 Friday, and we're going to go over the graphing portion of this. And assuming that you did this correctly with the X and Y's, we're going to go ahead and graph this. So it says graph the ordered pairs on the corner plane and label each point with its corresponding letter. All right, so let's just go ahead and take a look at this very quickly. You know that this is a positive X, this is a negative X. This is a positive Y, which is going up. And then this is a negative Y, which is going down. In the center is the origin at 0, 0. So let's go ahead and take a look. First one, negative 12 divided by 4 is going to give you a negative 3, which is good. So negative 3, 2. So negative 3 means you go, this is X, this is Y. So you're going to go left 3 steps and then up 2 steps. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's your first one. Right? Okay. And what letter is that? A? A? Yeah. Right. Next one. Okay. 7, negative 2, which means you're going to go to the right 7, down 2. So go ahead and label that, please. Let's go. 7, negative 2. So there's B. It's already labeled.
See, this is what I got when I started it, but it started like it.
That's fine. Are we supposed to connect it or are we not supposed to connect it? I don't think it says anything about connecting it, did it?
I didn't see anything, so I guess we're just connecting.
Well, it didn't say anything about connecting it, so I don't think we're going to connect it then.
He says use the straight edge to carefully draw each segment.
Oh, did it just say that?
Yeah, it says that. I don't know if that means
go get a straight edge then. Go get a ruler. I'm dead serious, go get a ruler. That's what she wants to do, then do that. Well, I don't really care if you care what she wants or not. Just do it. I'm recording this, so I suggest you stop. So that's A, that's B. C is 3, negative 2. So A to B, B to C. Here, use that. D is negative 5, negative 2. What letter did you stop on? What letter? Okay, so E is negative 3, negative 3. Or that's F. Or hold on. Negative 3, that's E. F is that 10, 0? Is that F? 10, 0? Maybe? No, I don't want a maybe. I want an actual answer.
Yes, it's 10, 0.
So that's going to give you 11 minus 4. That's not 10. Negative 2 plus 9 is 11. 11. Okay, right here. Negative 2 times 2. It's not like this. You're adding them. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. 11 minus 4 is going to give you a 7. So that should be a 7 right here. So change that, please. So this is wrong. Do you see that?
I thought I was
right here is multiplying. The parenthesis indicates multiplying. You're not adding. You're multiplying.
Why do you know that?
Okay, well, now you know that. That's fine. Crumbling your paper doesn't make it better.
I didn't even crumple it.
Check the y's. Negative 2 plus 1 minus 2. That's wrong as well. So let's go over this one. So look over here. Look over here. Okay. Do you see this negative right here? Inside.
Yes.
That becomes a positive 2, right? Because absolute value of a -2 is a +2. But there's a negative on the outside, so your answer is a -2. Good. -4 to the 4th power. Is this even or odd? Any negative number to an even is always a positive. Any negative number to an odd is always negative. This is even, so that means this is going to end up being a +4. Do you see that? And if you don't believe, it's not going to be a +4, but it's going to be a, let's see, hold on a second. Oh, it's a -1, not a 4. Yeah, it's going to be a +1. Square root of 4 is what? Square root of 4 is a 2. This negative makes it a -2. Do you see that? -2 minus 4 is a -4. What's -4 plus 1? 7. -3 is F. 7. -3 is F. So make sure you have that part right there. Let me know when you're ready to move on. And while you're doing that, I'm going to go back and check all the answers, make sure it's correct. Are you up to date right here? Did you use a straight edge exactly how I have it here? I don't see it being like that. Do you use it? Okay. Next one we made a mistake on. This one right here. This question right here. Explain to me what you would do first.
Times 8.
Good. So is that a 7 plus 4?
Plus 7.
28. What's your next step?
25. 8 times 5.
Which is?
40.
Okay. Now, if I add these two together, that's going to give me a 35 minus 40. What's 35 minus 40? So change that, please.
What about the -8? There's a -8 in it.
-8 times 5 is a -40. That's how you got the -40. You don't subtract, you multiply first. Okay, let's start this over again.
No, I didn't mean that.
Do you want me to go over it again with you?
No.
Do you understand it?
Yes.
So G is -4, -5. I want you to relook at the next problem on the Y section. Should be a -1. So show me the work how you got -1.
I don't
H.
know.
No, I want you to make sure you understand how you got it. Right here. H, Y.
What the hell does that mean?
For letter H, the Y value is wrong.
Why?
Don't erase anything. Just do it on the side over here.
Do I have to erase it?
Don't erase it. Just do it on the side. Just leave it as is. Do it on side. You never erase your old problems and your solutions until you have the new one done.
I got 20.
That's not correct. Explain to me how you did it. What do you do first? which is?
Negative 8 times 2, which is negative 16.
So 3 minus 16. So write that down. 3 minus 16. And then what do you do next?
I already multiplied.
Plus 12. It's negative 13 plus 12.
Negative 1.
What did you write down?
Negative
No, you didn't. What's your answer right here? It's negative 4. H is going to be 4, negative 1. Let go for a second. Let go. Okay, we're on I. I want you to look at I, Y. That one's incorrect. Explain to me what you would do in that case. What do you do first? Negative 24 divided by 6. What's negative 24 divided by 6? I think I messed up. Yeah, it is 0. So negative 4, 0 for I. Are you labeling the letters too? You got to write down the letters. She specifically says that. What part of that did you not understand? Oh, you know what? Hold on a second. Shit, we're not supposed to connect them. Use a straight draw each of the segments. So AB is right there. Then BC, okay, so we got BC, CD, ECD. Okay, so I don't need to do that part right there. Then EF, then FB. Just following directions.
Okay, well, I don't get what she's assigning us because this makes no sense. Sorry.
You're very bad at following directions, so just stop complaining. So all you should have is right here. AB, make sure you have AB. Do you have AB? BC, do you have BC connected? You gotta erase D to E. We're not doing the, okay. And then CD, you have CD, EF. And then F to B, this red line right here. Do you have that? Okay, everything else needs to be erased. So G and I erased. So everything else needs to be erased. Okay, next, draw something in GH. So G to H, you can have GH. Use a straight edge, please. G to H. And then H to K.
I'm supposed to write the H.
Yeah, you are. Right here. GH.
Why did you face it?
Because I didn't know we were supposed to. And I drew it. GH is right there. H then goes to K. So let's start with I. Do we have I on there? Yeah, I is there. That's good. And then I, and then J. So that's J is going to be a 6 minus 1 minus 3, which is a 2. Then this is going to be a negative 6 minus 2 plus 8, which is a 0. So J is 2, 0. So 2 zeros right here, label that J. And then we're going to do K. 2. plus 4 is a 2. And then -1 plus 8, which is a 7, minus 6 is 1. So k is 2, 1. Yes, 2, 1. So this one right here is going to be k. Let me give you another pencil. So if you need another pencil. 2, 1. So that's going to be k. That's going to be k. But then we're going to connect h to k. So here's h to k. So this line right here needs to be right there. And then k needs to go to L. We don't have L yet, so let's take a look at L. So this is good. This is good. L, 6 minus 10 minus 1. So that's -4 minus 1. So I need you to redo this one here. So for L, x value for L.
I got -5. I don't know if that's correct, but like
It should be -3. Let's explain to me what you did here. 306. Keep going. What's 20 divided by 2? Good. So 6 minus 10, and then minus 1, right? 6 minus 10 is, what's -4 minus, oh, you know what? You are right. It is -5. So L is a -5. And it's okay because like things like this, people make mistake all the time. So -5. And then for the next one, this is going to be a +10 minus 9. So 5, 1. This is good. 5, 1 is L. So we're going to go to 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, what was it, -5 or +5? I forgot. -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So that's L. I'm going to do K to L. So here's K to L. Make sure you use your ruler. K to L. -2 times 2 is a -4. Okay, M. X value on M. You need to redo that one right here. X value on M. Go redo that one. I think you're just making small mistakes. 6, which is 1.
+3.
Good. 3 is good. And you got the second one right. The Y value is right. So for M, it's 3, -1. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. So that's going to be M. Then we're going to do J to M. J is right here. J to M goes here. I don't know what this actually looks kind of like. I don't know. I don't know. It looks like anything. J to M, and then I to J. Okay. So then here's I goes to J. And then K to L. There's K, and that goes to, or no, K, or no, K to J. Oh, you know what? I to J. So here is J right here. So I to J goes right here, straight line. Yep. And then K to L. Here's K to L, which is, wait, is it K? Oh no, K to J. K to J goes right here. That's all it is. That's it. We're done. Yes? Okay, turn that in. Put your name on it. Put it in your folder. Here. Make sure that gets turned in tomorrow as well.
I still like fish.
Yeah, but we're not done yet. We're gonna move on to the next one. So,
This one was solved.
yeah,